Welcome to A Square Maths Fourier Series Part 2. In the previous session, we saw how to expand the Fourier series for f of x which is periodic with period 2l in the interval c to c plus 2l. Now, here in this session, we are going to see how to expand the Fourier series for f of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So, let us see. Fourier series of f of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi is given by f of x is equals to a0 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity an cos of nx plus bn sin of nx, where a0 is equals to 1 upon 2 pi integration from 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, an is equals to 1 upon pi integration from 0 to 2 pi f of x cos of nx dx, and bn is equals to 1 upon pi integration from 0 to 2 pi f of x sin of nx dx. Now let us see the sum of this type. Let us take a sum example, that is expand Fourier series for f of x is equals to x square in 0 to 2 pi. Here f of x is equals to x square in 0 to 2 pi. Therefore Fourier series for f of x in 0 to 2 pi is given by f of x is equals to a0 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity an cos of nx plus bn sin of nx, where a0 is equals to 1 upon 2 pi integration from 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, an is equals to 1 upon pi integration from 0 to 2 pi f of x cos of nx dx, and bn is equals to 1 upon pi integration from 0 to 2 pi f of x sin of nx dx. Therefore, let us find a0, an, bn. To find a0, let us take 1 upon 2 pi integration from 0 to 2 pi x square dx. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Therefore, a0 will be the 1 upon 2 pi x cube by 3. Limit will be from 0 to 2 pi. By putting limit, this one will be the 1 upon 2 pi cube upon 3, and 2 pi and 2 pi will get cancelled from numerator to denominator, and this one will be only 2 pi square and can be written as 4 pi square by 3. It is the a0. Now to find an is equals to 1 upon pi integration from 0 to 2 pi x square cos of nx dx. To integrate it, if you observe, it is the multiplication of algebraic function and trigonometric function. So to integrate it, you are supposed to use the integration by parts. Let us take whatever the algebraic function as a u. So 1 upon pi x square integration of cos of nx is sin of nx upon n minus 2x, that is derivative of x square is 2x, and again integration of sin of x is minus cosine of nx upon n, and this n is n square, plus derivative of u, that is derivative of 2x is 2, and integration of sine of cosine of nx is sine of nx, so this term minus sine of nx upon n, and this is n square will be a n cube. Limits will be from 0 to 2 pi. Now let us put the upper limit. 1 upon pi x square will be replaced by 2 pi square sine of 2n pi upon n. This x will be replaced by 2 pi into 2 is 4 pi, that is minus 4 pi minus cosine of 2n pi upon n square plus 2, this 2 minus sine of 2n pi upon n cube. Similarly, let us put the lower limit 0. So that one will be the 0 x square, 0 square is 0 sine of 0 by n minus this term will be a 0 again, 0 cos of minus cos of 0 upon n square plus 2 minus sine of 0 upon n cube, and you know very well sine of 2n pi is 0, sine of 2n pi is 0, so entire term will be a 0, sine of 2n pi is 0, so this will be a 0, sine of 0 is 0, and this term is multiple of 0, so this will be a 0, and this term sine of 0 is 0, so this will be a 0, and after all only one term is remain, and that one will be the 1 upon pi as it is. This one be a minus minus will become plus, cos of 2n pi is 1, and that one will be the 4 pi upon n square. Pi and pi will get cancelled from numerator and denominator, and hence you will get an is equals to 4 upon n square. Now let us find bn is equals to 1 upon pi integration from 0 to 2 pi. This will be x square sine of nx, and that will be a 1 upon pi x square minus cos of nx upon n, and this will be a minus 2x minus sine of nx upon n square plus 2 cos of nx upon n cube 0 to 2 pi, and hence by putting limit this will be 1 upon pi x square is 4 pi square minus 2 cos of 2n pi upon n minus 4 pi minus sine of 2n pi divided by n square plus 2 cos of 2n pi divided by n cube minus lower limit, put x is equals to 0, so 0 minus cos of 0 upon n minus 0 minus cosine of 0 upon n square plus 2 cos of 0 upon n cube, and hence if you observe here sine of 2n pi is 0, so this term will become 0, this term is multiple to 0, so this term will be a 0, this term will be a 0, and now cos of 2n pi is 1, cos of 2n pi is 1, cos of 0 is 1, and hence you will get here 1 upon pi, this one will be the 4 pi square minus 1 upon n because cos of 2n pi is 1 plus 2 cos of 2n pi is 1, so this can be written as 1 upon n cube, and this one is minus 2 cos of 0 is 1 upon n cube, so here again this negative positive term will get cancelled and it will be only 4 pi square is here, here is pi, this pi will get cancelled with this pi, and this one will be the minus 4 pi upon n, and the final answer is required Fourier series is f of x is equals to 4 pi square upon 3 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity 4 upon n square cos of nx minus 4 pi upon n sin of nx, and hence it is the end of this session. Let us see more examples as well as Parseval's identity of Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Thank you. If you like it, kindly subscribe and share it to others. Thank you.